Manoj Pandian.
Thank you, sir. Sir, due to paucity of time, I wish to bring to the notice of the government certain issues confronted by the Department of Law and Justice with regard to the functioning of the ministry, the allocations that are made, the issues confronted by the judiciary, confronted by the advocates community and the general public, sir. Sir, as regards the pendency of the cases before the various courts, sir, I wish to state certain statistics, sir, as to the working strength of the judges, sir. Sir, in the Supreme Court, there are about 28 judges and there are about 3 vacancies. Sir, in the High Courts, the working strength is 640. In the district courts, the working strength is 15,115. So the pending cases in the Supreme Court is about 67,000. The pending cases in the High Court is about 44.6 lakhs. So the pending cases in the subordinate courts is 2.7 crores. Sir. So the burden per judge that was calculated, sir, in the Supreme Court it is 2.288, sir, cases per judge. 2,288 cases per judge. In the burden per judge in the High Court, sir, is 6,983, sir. And the burden per judge in the district court, sir, is 1,776, sir. Sir, there are so many cases pending. What are the reasons for the pendency? Why the temple of justice is not being accessed by the general public? And what faith will the general public have in the judiciary, sir? Sir, all these issues have been analyzed, sir, have been gone into, sir, and several mechanisms have been drawn, sir, but without yielding any results, sir. Sir, my suggestions to this, sir, and the functioning of the ministry, sir, with regard to the disposal of cases, is for filling up the vacancies of the judges. We know, sir, the matter is pending before the Supreme Court. But a mechanism must be drawn. Sir, I also went through the report of the Committee on Law and Justice, sir, the report sent by the Standing Committee. Sir, the committee has already recommended to draw a mechanism to identify the vacancies in advance and thereafter make appointments so that the process of appointment does not exceed 1 month, sir. Sir, in the same way, there are many obsolete laws, sir. There are many laws which have to be repealed. Sir, we have to identify those laws which are no longer needed or relevant and can be immediately repealed, sir. Sir, we have to consider in a wider connotation, in a wider perspective, the suggestions for revision amendment given by expert groups in various ministries, department, with a view to coordinating and harmonizing them, sir. In the same way, sir, we have to consider reference made to it by ministries, departments in respect of legislation, sir. Sir, I would also like this August House to examine that with regard to matters concerning law and poverty, sir, that has also to be given primacy, sir. We'll have to examine the law which affect the poor and carry out post-audit for socio-economic legislation, sir. Sir, we also all have to take up all such measures as may be necessary to harness law and the legal services in the service of the poor, sir. It is the need of the hour, sir. Sir, all these issues, and also we have to eliminate the elimination of delays, speedy clearance of arrears and reduction in costs so as to secure quick and economic disposal of cases without affecting the cardinal principle that decisions should be fair and just, sir. We have to examine that, sir. Sir, there must also be simplification of procedure to reduce and eliminate technicalities and devices for delay so that it operates not as an end in itself, but as a means for achieving justice, sir. Sir, at this juncture, I would also like to draw the attention of this August House. Sir, with regard to several issues. Sir, for access to the Supreme Court, a person in the South, sir, a litigant in the South, will confront with several situations, several difficulties to access the temple of justice, which is the Supreme Court, sir. This House, the members of this August House know that Article 130 of the Constitution of India, which reads, I quote, the Supreme Court shall sit in Delhi or in such other place or places as the Chief Justice of India may, with the approval of the President, from time to time appoints. Sir, sir, taking this constitutional provision into consideration, I would only urge the government to set up a special bench, a regional bench for catering to the needs of the general public of the southern states, to have a permanent bench, a bench in Chennai, sir. That is my request, sir, and we request the government to study, to take adequate steps to also consult the Supreme Court in this aspect, sir. And one other issue, sir, I would like to draw the attention of this House is, with regard to the issue pertaining to the use of the regional languages in the High Court, sir. Sir, we know, sir, that Article 348(2) of the Constitution, read with Section 7 of the Official Languages Act 1963, clearly envisages the use of the state official language in judgments, decrees, and proceedings of the High Court, sir. Sir, it has been a long pending demand of the people of Tamil Nadu, and it has also been urged, sir, several times by our People's Chief Minister, Puruchi Thalavi Amma, that Tamil must be used, and it must be used in the High Courts, and the government must take adequate steps, sir. Honorable Amma had urged the government several times. Sir, I also raised a special mention before this August House, and a reply I was received by me from the Honorable Minister that they had taken the issue before the Supreme Court and it was not acceded to. Sir, I only urge upon the Minister that the matter may be reconsidered, taken up again to the Supreme Court, and all the languages, all the regional languages may be permitted to be used in all the High Courts, sir, as it is done in 4 states, sir. As of now, it is permitted in 4 states, and the same may be permitted as regards Tamil, sir. Sir, I also wish to draw the attention of the House, sir, with regard to the appointment of notaries, sir. Sir, when the Sri Ravi Shankar ji was the law minister, I raised a special mention and I received a reply also with regard to that. Sir, there was an amendment which restricted the appointment of notaries, sir. There is an amendment. Sir, however, with regard to the growing commercial transactions, increase in populations, increase in the population, it is the quintessence of that several notaries have to be appointed to cater to the needs of the public, sir. Therefore, I urge upon the Minister to, sir, to accede to the request of the Tamil Nadu government seeking additional notaries for the state of Tamil Nadu, sir. Sir, with regard to the judicial infrastructure, I would only draw the attention of the chairman that in the year 2011 and 2012, as well as 2010 and 2011 and 2011 and 2012, no funds was allocated to the state of Tamil Nadu, sir. Thereafter, for improving the judicial infrastructure, an amount of rupees 19.53 crores and 73.43 crores for the year 2013-14 was allocated. Therefore, I only urge upon the minister to make allocation of about 75 crores for improving the judicial infrastructure in the state of Tamil Nadu, sir. Okay. Sir, I also wish to draw the attention of the House.
Now, please conclude.
With regard to the filling up of vacancies with regard to several tribunals which are now headless. Sir, for example, with regard to the Cyber Crime Appellate Tribunal, sir, it is now headless. There are about, according to the National Crime Records Bureau, there are about 2,876 cyber crime cases which are pending with the Cyber Crime Appellate Authority under the IT Act in 2012. And about 60% of these cases, sir, have not even
Yes,
commenced, sir.
Pandian ji, no, please.
Therefore, I urge upon the minister to fill up the vacancies with regard
Okay.
to the appellate authorities which are
Okay.
headless, sir. And finally, I would like to conclude, sir, by saying that the several achievements, sir, in the state of Tamil Nadu in the judicial department, I would only highlight three, sir, for improving the quality of education, legal education. National law schools, like how we establish IITs for engineering colleges, aims for medical sciences. In the same way, national law schools to improve the education of the law students must be established in all the states, sir, like how it was established
Okay.
by our revered leader, People's Chief Minister Puraji Talavi
fine.
Amma in Srirangam,
All
sir.
right.
Therefore, in the lines of the School of
Okay.
Excellence, in the lines of the law school established at Srirangam,
all right.
all national law schools must be established in every
Okay.
state of this country,
Okay.
sir. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you very
giving me
much.
this opportunity, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.